all of us have fantasized at some stage that I wish I got the world's greatest lottery and I walked away with $100 million or something like that. If not $100 million, maybe 10 crores, 20 crores, 5 crores, something like this. We always hope that one day won't I get a lottery. Some of us, I have never bought a lottery ticket ever in my life. I always thought it was some kind of a sucker's game where I would not get anything. But I've always fantasized that I would have a multi-bagger, one share which went from 10,000 to 100 crores or stuff like that. But I've never put enough money into even a multi-bagger like that and sat on that for such a long time. I've invested in dull, boring, dividend yield companies which were giving 7%, 8% return. I'm talking of 1980s, and they've done extremely well. So yes, it has been my kind of a lottery because it has been a 1,000 rupee ticket of 1986, which is my ticket to retirement today. I can retire with just that one single share. So yes, there have been these kind of things, but to think that you will get a lottery or you will win or you will go to Las Vegas or now in Goa and you will gamble and you will be able to make enough money to retire for the rest of your life is living in a fool's paradise. Doesn't really happen, right? Even investing can be a sucker's game if you had decided that you will buy the latest IPO. You will do F&O and things like that, and you will find that you've destroyed family wealth instead of creating wealth. So that thing also happens. So best is start reading about investing. I mean, watching this channel is a good thing to do, but start reading about investing. Do some sensible passive investing to start with. You can choose some index fund. I mean, I like the UTI Sensex plan or the UTI Nifty plan, whichever ones you choose. They are the lower cost ones. I do not know whether there are funds which are lower cost than that. So start doing an SIP at a young age, and whatever be the amount, maybe 1,000 rupees, maybe 5,000 rupees, and make sure you tick the button which allows you to automatically increase the amount on a yearly basis. You could increase it by 1,000 every year, you could increase it by 10% every year, whatever you choose. You can put a cap saying as long as the minute the fund size or the SIP size reaches 50,000, I will stop. Put that, So this is much easier and much better to make money this way. But if you say, no, I don't want to make money this way, I want to be real rich, because investing in an SIP, investing in an index fund through an SIP is dull and boring. I'm not interested. Then look at the people who have done very interesting stuff and made money. They have not made money easily. Like Elon Musk has not made money easily, or Jeff Bezos has not made money easily. Microsoft, Bill Gates has not made money easily. These people have done very, very difficult and tough work, right? They have let their personal relations suffer, right? Between them, how many divorces do they have, right? Musk alone has 2. So it is not easy but if you want easy money, you have to do difficult things. If you do not do the difficult things and you keep hoping and dreaming that one day you will have big money because you bought a lottery or because you gambled, you are living in a fool's paradise. Wake up, do something hard, go build an app, make sure you sell it for $1 billion or whatever. You have to put in that kind of effort. You have to take that kind of a risk. I am not willing to take that kind of a risk. I will not want to invest money in a startup and hope that one day it will make money. I don't invest in startups, right? I invest only in listed companies with a decent track record, which pay dividend. And then over the years of sitting tight, you realize that it has become a multi-bagger. But to think that all this can happen without much effort and to just buying a lottery ticket, it's not going to work. Create a portfolio, all that is fine, but you really have to work like a madman and give it time, give it 20 years for you to make money. None of these people have made money overnight. Bill Gates did not make his billions overnight. Yes, he made a small amount of money, he got it listed, and then that listing helped right? Then the company has to be run far better and far more successfully than a garage startup. So you need all those expertises. You need that expertise of setting up. You need that, like they say, the Brahma in you, which means you have to do the creative stuff. Then you have to do the Vishnu stuff of maintaining. Then you have to do the Shiva stuff of destroying all the evil inside the company, outside the company. Only then can your company grow. You need to do all this. There is no fortune at the end of a lottery ticket, and there is enough evidence that even in case you win a lottery, it does not mean you have the financial expertise to handle. Maybe it is 2 crores, maybe it is 5 crores. It's not a small amount of money. It is a huge sum of money. It is sufficient for the rest of your life. But if you do not have the expertise to manage it, there is a good chance that you will blow the whole thing away, right? So money making is difficult, but growing your money, keeping your money, growing it and make it into a bigger fortune is a much bigger skill which is required, right? So even Bill Gates, who earned money, needs a fund manager to manage it, right? So whether it is anybody who has earned a lot of money, yes, they've taken a very focused view on their life. They've had a concentrated portfolio. Every successful entrepreneur is a person with a concentrated portfolio. So the real big wealth creation happens with a concentrated portfolio. After that, you diversify your portfolio to reduce the risk. You don't diversify your portfolio to get better return. You do it to reduce risk, and therefore, because of capital preservation, your overall wealth creation improves. There is no doubt about that. But don't sit and think that one day you will get a lottery and you will become a rich man or rich woman, but that it is not going to be so easy. But for, like they say, it's very simple. To get easy money, you have to do hard work. If you're not willing to put in that kind of effort, you will not make that kind of a fortune. That's perfectly all right. But don't sit and dream that you bought a lottery ticket and you got 100 crores or 200 crores. It doesn't happen. Wake up to reality. Thank you.